There is a powerful hadith in which the Prophet says, Allah loves three special kinds of people. He smiles at them, or even laughs, and He is truly pleased with their actions. Now ask yourself, could you be one of those three? The first is a warrior. When his entire battalion flees the battlefield, he charges forward into the enemy ranks completely alone. Either he is martyred, or Allah grants him a glorious victory, and Allah, the Almighty, says to the angels, "Look at my servant, see how he is courageously fighting for my cause, see how patiently and faithfully he endures for me." The second kind, a man, lying beside a beautiful woman, in a soft, comfortable bed, but in the middle of the night, he wakes up. And Allah says, he leaves his desires behind and chooses to remember me. If he had wished, he could have simply continued sleeping. And so, Allah loves this man dearly, and He smiles at him with joy and pleasure. The third, a group of travelers. After a long journey, they ride and settle in for the night. But while the others sleep, one among them stands up in prayer. He prays, whether in comfort or in hardship. These are the three types of people that Allah smiles to or laughs at out of His love. And Allah truly loves them. May Allah make you one of those rare and beloved ones.